Ethereum is at a crossroads right now, and what happens next could shape the entire crypto market's direction. Over the past few days, traders have been watching Ether closely. Why? Because it's currently trading in a very tight zone, between $2,500 and $2,750, and whichever way it breaks could decide the next major move. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Investing in crypto involves risk, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. We're seeing a market that's unsure. Ethereum recently broke out of a bear flag, which usually signals bullish intent, but the follow-through just wasn't strong enough. The price nudged above resistance at $2,680, but it couldn't hold. Now, ETH is backtesting support around $2,650. If it breaks down from here, we could see targets at $2,539, and even down to $2,400 in the longer term. That would not only trigger short-term selling, but could have broader implications for Ethereum's entire chart structure. But there's also a silver lining. If ETH manages to push through $2,680 again, this time with conviction, then a rally toward $2,730 to $2,750 is possible. And if the price holds above that level, especially with Bitcoin showing strength, new buyers could step in and fuel a fresh bullish wave. Now beyond price action, the fundamentals are also worth noting. Ethereum's network usage remains solid, Layer 2 activity is increasing, and staking interest, especially from institutions, is rising. The anticipation around Ethereum ETFs is also providing some background optimism. Still, not everything is green. On-chain indicators like the RSI are flashing mixed signals, particularly on the weekly and bi-weekly charts. Historically, these divergences often come before larger corrections, so the message here is clear. ETH needs to break decisively above $2,750 or risk losing momentum. And speaking of Layer 2, this is where things get even more interesting. While Ethereum's scaling solutions have been leading the pack, a new competitor is emerging: Solaxy. Solaxy is building a Layer 2 blockchain, but on Solana. That's right, it offers EVM compatibility, a hyperlane-powered bridge for seamless Solana-Solaxy interoperability, and a working testnet and block explorer. Its mainnet is scheduled to launch in July 2025. The project isn't just vaporware. Solaxy already operates with a modular roll-up architecture, processing transactions off-chain and finalizing them on Solana. That's huge for speed and scalability, especially for DeFi, NFTs, games, and meme tokens. Here's what's got the community excited. The pre-sale has raised nearly $54 million, and over 35 billion Solaxy tokens have already been burned. The staking APY, a dynamic 78%. The current pre-sale is in its final phase, and for the next 6 days, investors can buy in at the listing price of $0.001766 before the token goes live on multiple major exchanges. Solaxy isn't just another token, it's a major infrastructure bet on the expansion of Solana. If you're watching Ethereum to decide what comes next in crypto, you might also want to look at what Solaxy is building, because this could be a game changer. Don't miss out. The link to the pre-sale is in the description and pinned in the comments. And don't forget, check out Best Wallet. It's non-custodial, KYC-free, multi-chain, and available right now on the App Store and Google Play.